Are you a real estate agent feeling the pressure of a shifting market? Do you feel like you're spinning your wheels trying to gain credibility and attract the ideal customer? If you're not using proven marketing systems, well, it's no wonder you're feeling frustrated. Hi, I'm Nikki Christiansen, co-owner of Internet Media Consultants, and for over 20 years, we have helped thousands of real estate and mortgage professionals to do better marketing online. Technology has changed the way that we do business. And the internet has made it so we can connect to people instantaneously with the click of a button. Now, you've probably noticed a shift in the real estate market industry. Home prices are up, inventory is down, and marketing to attract more buyers and sellers has gone from offline to online in the blink of an eye. If you don't shift your thinking in this shifting market, you are at risk of losing business. We're going to show you in this webinar what's working now. We're going to show you what agents across the nation are doing in their markets to gain credibility, to gain more business, and attract their buyers and sellers. Plus, we're going to give you access to our exclusive downloadable templates that will allow you to set up your marketing strategy like the pros. So get registered today, and I'll see you in the webinar.